What if our sun turned into a black hole? The full story, a silent change in the sky. Imagine you wake up one morning and something feels wrong. The sunlight coming through your window feels weaker. Shadows are dimmer. Birds stop singing. The air feels colder. And everyone across the world senses the same strange silence. Within hours, astronomers send out an alert. The sun is collapsing. Something impossible is happening. And then, for the first time in human history, the sun, our life-giving star, shrinks, collapses, and quietly transforms into a black hole. No explosion, no supernova, no fire, just silence. This is the story of what would happen if our sun suddenly turned into a black hole. Chapter 1. Will Earth get sucked in? Movies show everything being sucked into black holes. But reality? A black hole, with the exact same mass as the sun, has the exact same gravitational pull as the sun. So Earth doesn't fall in. Mars doesn't fall in. Even Pluto continues orbiting normally. In fact, nothing gets pulled unless it goes extremely close. So for the first few days, Earth survives. The solar system stays intact. But something devastating has already begun. Chapter 2. The Death of Light. When the sun becomes a black hole, no more sunlight, no more warmth, no more day, only darkness. The sky suddenly becomes a permanent night. You can see stars even at noon. The sun in the sky turns into a completely invisible dot, unless it has an accretion glow. But normally, a quiet black hole gives off no light at all. Humanity enters eternal night. Within 24 hours, global temperature drops by 10 degrees Celsius. Photosynthesis stops worldwide. Solar power dies instantly. Half the world panics. The other half cannot believe what has happened. The sun was never just a light. It was the heartbeat of life. Now that heartbeat. Chapter 3. The first week without the sun. In 7 days, oceans begin cooling rapidly. Plants start dying. Animals lose their biological cycles. Temperatures continue falling by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius daily. Cities turn on artificial lights 24/7. Governments encourage people to stay indoors. Scientists warn, within 1 year, Earth's surface will be below 100 degrees Celsius. Humanity must act fast. Chapter 4. The Frozen Earth. After 1 to 2 months, average temperature, -30 degrees Celsius. Many rivers freeze. Food shortages begin. Agriculture collapses. Only artificial farms survive. Animals migrate desperately. People move underground or near geothermal hotspots. Tropical countries become like Antarctica. Earth's seas start freezing from the top down. The world becomes a frozen desert. Chapter 5. Humanity's last light. Survival depends on geothermal heat, nuclear fusion reactors, deep underground cities, artificial biospheres, space colonies, if any exist. Governments unite for the first time in history. The ISS becomes a rescue and research hub. Elon Musk, NASA, ESA, ISRO, all push humanity toward Mars and moons with underground warmth. Earth is slowly dying. But the solar system still orbits the black hole silently. Ase. Chapter 6. Life around a black hole. If our black hole remains quiet, no matter consumed, it's small and invisible. But humanity eventually builds a new concept, a Dyson sphere around the black hole. Not to capture light, because black holes don't shine, but to capture Hawking radiation, the faint heat black holes give off over time. It is tiny, almost nothing, but with advanced technology, future humans might harness even that. Other sci-fi ideas appear. Massive mirrors collecting starlight from nearby stars, nuclear sun reactors, moving Earth to another star system, creating artificial fusion suns, building floating space habitats with light engines. Humanity adapts. Chapter 7. A new civilization in darkness. 100 years later, Earth is unrecognizable. Cities exist underground. Heat comes from the Earth's core. Artificial suns illuminate giant caverns. People wear thermal suits. Oceans are frozen solid on top. Only deep-sea vents support natural life. Above the frozen crust, the sky is a black void. Stars shine brighter than ever. The black hole sits silently at the center of a ghostly dark solar system. Humanity survives, but barely. Chapter 8. A New Sun. As technology grows, we attempt something unimaginable, creating a new star. Scientists identify a nearby small star, Proxima Centauri, and propose a mega project. Build fusion engines, attach them to Earth. Slowly push Earth out of orbit. Travel for thousands of years. Capture the light of a new sun. Generations will be born, live, and die during the journey. Earth becomes a ship, and humanity becomes a spacefaring species. Chapter 9. Did we ever have a chance? In reality, the sun cannot become a black hole. It is too small for that fate. To turn into a black hole, it would need to be at least 20 times more massive. But imagining this scenario helps us understand the importance of sunlight, how fragile life is, how interconnected biology and physics are, how the universe shapes destiny, and most importantly, how impressive humanity could become when pushed to the edge. A message from stellar Quill. If you enjoyed this long journey through darkness, science, survival, and cosmic imagination, subscribe to Stellar Quill. We publish new videos and shorts every single day, covering space mysteries, cosmic disasters, astronomy explanations, latest NASA discoveries, science stories, and the future of humanity. Tap the bell icon. /join our cosmic community. Explore the universe with us, one story at a time.